Hello, hi, my name is Nagendra Kumar. My company name is Varasiddhi Vinayaka Engineering Private Limited. Today we are in Patancheru, the premier villas. Are you boring in your villa inside, sitting for long time? So are you looking for the seat outside of the villa? Come, I'll show my structure in opposite of the villa. Actually, this is the structure we are building opposite of the villa. Completely steel structure we built all of with. Right round we use a 3x1.5 rectangle pipe and taking the support for the V-board structure fixing, and after the V-board fixing we are using the American shingles for the top of the roof. This is a sustainability steel structure we are promoting here, and if you need like this type of structures, please contact our number below in the description.
Friends, we are using high quality material with waterproofing fixing, life durability material for weatherproof, and this is shingles, the top of the roof we are erection here, and the looking also very elegant look for the shingles. So I am showing the company we are using for these shingles. This is a completely American shingles. The branding is American brand, and you see on the top of the cover USA. This is a certified ISO and a ISG certified company in America. We are exporting directly in India. We are erection, the fabrication top of the roofs and villas and function halls and resorts. This is a concept we are creating, and this is the project update. Rooftop sheet fabrication shingles work is complete, and with quality and proper standards we maintain in this project. Friends, if you have any similar requirement in your future, anyone in your network need to construction this type of shingles fabrication requirement, kindly feel free to refer us. We are assured to same quality and commitment with to deliver for this project. And thank you so much for. My name is Nagendra Kumar. I am managing director of Varasiddhi Vinayaka Engineering Private Limited. Please contact and book the order.